Okay, this is important to learn here. So you have to do with homomorphism. Let's say G to G prime is a homomorphism. Suppose you have a mapping from G to G prime, and this is a homomorphism. Alright? Suppose this is a homomorphism where you have group operation, the group operation in G, let's say star here, the group operation in G prime is star prime. Okay. Then we already know one of them is a kernel. Kernel of this mapping is what? It's an inverse image of what? It's an inverse image of just now I used 0. What is so special about 0? 0 is an identity element. So if you have G prime, must have identity element. The identity element may not be 0. Usually call them E, right? So this is a group G prime called E prime. So E prime is an identity element for G prime. So look at the inverse image of identity. This is called a kernel. Okay? The special case I showed you earlier was inverse image of 0. Now, this is always a subgroup. In G. Okay? Then, suppose we call this group H, since we know this is a group here. Now, because this is a subgroup in G, we can talk about factor group, right? Let's consider all the factor group. So, you can consider all the coset. Collect all distinct coset. Of H in G. Right? Then you form a group. Okay? This collection will form a group. Now, in order to form a group, you must tell them how they multiply, right? Okay, in order to form a group, you must tell them how to multiply. So, how to tell them multiply? So, suppose I have a coset AH. So this is one left coset AH. AH could be A times H or A plus H, depending on what is operation. Okay, so I omit operation. So this is one of coset A times H or A plus H, depending on what is operation. And I have another coset BH. Alright, now I must know how to combine the coset now. Since I tell them they're going to form a group, they must know how to combine them. Okay, how to combine them? So AH times BH to form a group, right? What do you end up with? Easiest way you can think of is A times B, A and B are in G, just A and B, H. Okay? With the binary operation, okay, so this is how you multiply the coset. And I tell you this is a group now, we have a notation for this group. This notation, right? This group notation of this group is G over H. Okay, so this is a factor group. Okay, this is what I call a factor group now.